everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to revamp your wig. So firstly, you get a brush or a comb and you detangle your wig gently. After I detangle my wig, I'm going to wash it with a shampoo, and this is the shampoo I'm going to be using today. The temperature of this water is lukewarm. It's not hot or it's not cold either. After that, I'm going to carefully place my wig inside the water while my hand is gently holding the closure or frontal lace, whichever wig you are trying to revamp. I'm going to dip it in and carefully use my hand to go through the strands. I'm not going to be rough with this hair or handle it like I'm washing clothes, because I don't want to spoil the hair and I don't want to spoil the closure. So I'm going to be very gentle with it. Please, you should try to be very gentle with your hair. So this is the first washing and you can see how dirty the water is. I'm just going to drain this and wash again for the second time. So I'm just repeating the same method I did before, still washing the wig. So now that I'm done with the second washing, I'm going to proceed to rinsing the wig, to rinsing the shampoo off the wig. Please notice how gentle I am with this wig, especially the closure or the frontal, but this is a closure wig. Notice how gentle I am with it, because I am not trying to ruin this wig. So the next step is your conditioner, because your wig has gone through so much washing and this conditioner is going to give it back the moisture. So So I'm going to dip the wig into the conditioner and let the conditioner get in every corner of the hair, every strand of the hair. I'm going to let the conditioner get into the strands of the hair because I want it to lock in moisture. So I am going to rinse it again, but this time around I'm also going to detangle with a brush because it has gone through so much washing, and so now is the perfect time to detangle it carefully. I am still in the rinsing process because I have to get the conditioner out of the hair. When you are satisfied with the rinsing, you are just going to carefully drain the water out of the wig. Now that we're done with washing, we're going straight to revamping, and these are the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to leave the names in the description. So the measurement of the products you're going to be using is based on the amount of wigs you're revamping. So here I'm using 3 spoons of the silicone mix and 2 spoons of the keratin milk. Then I'm going in with just few drops of my argan oil. This mixture is so good because you're basically mixing conditioner, keratin and oil together. This mixture is going to make your hair so soft and looking so lush, rich, and just how you like it. So I'm going to apply this mixture generously on the strands, leaving no strands behind. I'm going to put it everywhere, like everywhere, on every single strand. After I'm satisfied with the application, I'm going to put it inside a Ziplock bag. Then I'm going to pour hot water inside the container. And I'm going to cover it and let it sit for at least 3 hours. So after the 3 hours, I'm just going to rinse out all the product away from the wig and air dry it. When rinsing your hair out, you should do it with a lot of water because there is a lot of product on it, and be very careful with your closure or your frontal lace because yeah. So now that you're done, you can take out the water carefully just so it can dry quickly. Then you air dry it. Don't use blow dryer to blow dry the hair. No, let air, natural air or breeze dry it. So this is the end result of the wig. I applied a little oil here, but I have not properly straightened it. I'm just in a hurry. I want to go out, but I want you guys to see how it looks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to a friend. Bye. Thank you for watching.